Hi students, today we are going to see the 9th standard English Unit 7 Prose, a birthday letter written by Jawaharlal Nehru. There are 4 questions in page number 178. From which prison did Nehru write this letter? Did Nehru send any present to Indira? Which historical character inspired young Indira? What helps the ordinary men and women becomes heroes? I have written this answer on the top of this page. First question, the answer is Nehru wrote this letter from the central prison Naini. Second answer is no, Nehru did not send any present to her daughter Indira when he was in the prison. Third question answer is Joan of Arc inspired young Indira. Fourth one, ordinary men and women becomes heroes when the whole nation becomes interested in a great cause. In page number 117, there are two questions. They are given two questions. Who addressed as Babuji? Mahatma Gandhi is addressed as Babu. What should the soldiers of India respect? The soldiers of India should respect the India's honor. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Why could not Nehru send any present to Indira? Nehru was in prison, so he could not send any present to Indira. Second question, what cannot be stopped even by the high walls of prisons? Second answer is presence of mind and spirit cannot be stopped even by the high walls of prisons. Third question, why did Nehru dislike sermonizing? I have marked this answer in the page number 178, the first page of this letter. It is in second paragraph. The best way to find out what is right and what is not right, what should be done and what should not be done is not by giving a sermon but by talking and discussing. What does history tell us? The answer is in the first page, last paragraph. History tells us of great periods in the life of nations, of great men and women. Fifth answer, what do ordinary men and women usually think of? Fifth one, they think of their bread and butter, of their children, of their household worries and the like. That is the answer for the fifth question. Question number 6, what do ordinary men and women become? When do ordinary men and women become heroes? Ordinary men and women becomes heroes when the whole nation becomes interested in a great cause. Seventh question, what does the phrase great drama refers to? I have written in the bottom. The answer is the phrase great drama refers to the freedom movement in which all become India's soldiers of freedom. Eighth question, why are the freedom fighters under Gandhi not afraid of anything? The answer I have marked to the page number 179. The freedom fighters had nothing to hide, so they are not afraid of what they do or what they say. Next one, match the words with correct synonyms and antonyms. I have marked with the arrow mark. Wide, synonym is broad and antonym is narrow. Noble, synonym is gentle and antonym is ignoble. Oppress, synonym is subdue and antonym is freedom. Fourth one, honor, synonym is privilege and antonym is dishonor. Fifth one, worthy, synonym is valuable, antonym is unworthy. Sixth one, private, synonym is personal Antonym is public. Seventh one, brave. Synonym is valiant. And antonym is covered. Carved or covered, you can read. Okay. Next, what is the difference between an opinion and a fact? An opinion is one's feeling or thought about somebody or something. A fact is a piece of information that can be proved to be true. Identify whether the following statements are of opinion or fact. First one, on your birthday, you have been in the habit of receiving present and good wishes. It's fact. Second one, I have liked my talks with you. It's opinion. Third one, the best way to find what is wrong and right is by discussing. It's fact. Fourth one, a letter can hardly take the place of a talk. It's a fact. Fifth one, for the desire to hide anything means that you are afraid. It's opinion. Now exercise number, choose the correct determiner. Before that, you want to know what are the determiners in English. Determiners are the words that introduce a noun and provide some information about it. Determiners are the followed by the noun. The ball, his son, 5 cats, some students. So the, his, 5, some are called as determiners. The type of determiners, articles, and, a and the. In the quantifiers, some, any, few, little, more, such, many. So the demonstrative also given, possessive adjective also is given here. Okay, these all are called as determiners, and cardinal numbers and all the ordinal numbers are also determiners. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and etc. It first, second. Okay, now we are going for the exercise. Choose the correct determiners. Could you bring me dash tools I left in the garden? The answer is those. Second one, the and, a and is given. The earth revolves around the sun. Because the earth is one, there is only one. So it's a particular. So you want to use the definite article, the. Third one, I found dash a 1 rupee coin in the playground while playing. The fourth one, there aren't many students in the library. I have marked the answer also for you. Fifth, it was an unforgettable experience. Sixth one, I haven't got any pictures in my bedroom. He said that he had to become an engineer. Kokila gave a pen to each child in the classroom on her birthday. Ninth one, I have got to solve all math problems before I go to sleep. 10th one, India is the largest democracy in the world. 11th one, my father doesn't drink much coffee. 12th one, I always keep some money in my wallet for emergencies. 13th one, this year we are celebrating my sister's 2nd birthday. 14th one, I have 3 pencils with me. 15th one, what is that noise? I think it is an airplane. Study well, students. Thank you.